Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to stabilize videos in CapCut PC. So if you also want to stabilize videos in CapCut PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Simply import the video that you want to stabilize. If you do not know how to import the video, simply click on the import option that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After that, click on the import option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to import the video of your choice. After importing the video, place the video in the pad line. You can see over here, I've already done it. Now let me just play the video. You can see over here right now the video is not stable. So if you want to stabilize this video, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is look at the top right corner of your screen. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for video, speed, animation and adjustment. Make sure video option is selected. After that, make sure to select the basic option. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for stabilize. All you have to do is click on this option. After that, you'll be able to stabilize the video. You can see over here right now the video is being processed. Wait for a while. You can also select the level if you want. You can see over here by default recommended option will be selected. If you click on it, you'll be able to find several options like recommended, minimum cut and most stable. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after a while you can see over here the video will be processed. Now if you play the video will be much more stable. So that is how you stabilize the video in CapCut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.